Unlock the secrets of your circuits instantly. Imagine troubleshooting audio gear with absolute clarity. Meet the OWON XDS2102A digital oscilloscope. 100 MHz bandwidth captures every signal detail. 1GS process sampling rate ensures no data is missed. Dual channels plus one external input for versatility. 20M record length means extended waveform storage. 12-bit high-resolution ADC for ultra-precise readings. 8-inch LCD screen delivers sharp, vibrant visuals. See every waveform, from subtle to complex. Perfect for music visualizations and electronics projects. Spot noise, distortion, and anomalies in real time. Analyze audio signals with professional accuracy. Effortlessly debug microcontrollers and sensors. Pinpoint glitches faster with deep memory depth. Experience seamless navigation with intuitive controls. Switch between channels with a single touch. Zoom into signals for microscopic analysis. 12-bit ADC outperforms standard 8-bit scopes. Reveals subtle voltage changes others can't detect. Long record length captures entire signal events. No more missing critical data in your tests. High resolution means cleaner, more accurate output. Easily compare signals side by side as store and review data for later analysis. Ideal for students, engineers, and hobbyists alike. Transform your lab with professional-grade diagnostics. Upgrade from basic scopes to advanced precision. Save time troubleshooting complex circuits. Visualize music waveforms for creative projects. Test power supplies, amplifiers, and digital logic. Portable design fits any workspace. Bright LCD stays clear in any lighting. Reliable performance for daily use. Intuitive interface reduces learning curve. Built for accuracy, speed, and convenience. Explore new possibilities in electronics design. Take your measurements to the next level. Don't settle for less. Choose high resolution. Ready to upgrade your oscilloscope experience? Get the OWON XDS2102A today. Empower your projects with true signal clarity.